This is a capture challenge for white. White only has 3 liberties left. But black has throw-ins, cutting points, so those are all good to work with. But the sequence is really key. The first objective, of course, is to prevent black from making any real eye here. If white plays this, then black will have a real eye. And there's no way white can capture black, right? All of these moves will not work after 1 and 2. What about this move, right? If black connects here, something like this, then this will work, right? This will be a connect and die. But the problem is that black can always connect here first. And if white connects like this, then there will be a real eye, and white cannot Atari anywhere. If white comes in like this, then white will be too late. There will be no connect and die because black has already connected. So something's off, right? The sequence is not right. Because this after number 2, white already fails. So white should play at number 2 for this point first. So if black captures, now white can come in like this. Black only has 2 liberties left, so it will not be able to win this race to capture. And if black tries to connect, this will not be enough. This will be a connect and die. If black connects here, then there will just be more stones being captured at the end. So after 1, 2, and 3, white can succeed. If black connects here, this will be similar. White can still play at number 3. And be something like this. Or this. Lastly, if black tries to live like this, right? If white captures, then black will make a living shape. And white only has 1 real eye, so white will be dead after 7. So the way to deal with number 2 is to destroy this real eye. If black connects, then this will be a connect and die. If black saves this real eye, and now white can win this race to capture very easily, like this. So this is not okay for black. So overall, number 1 is the key move, is the key sequence. Black captures. Number 3 is also the key move to prevent this eye from becoming a real eye. And the best black can do at this point is just to connect like this. And black can take sente. Maybe that's the only thing black gets out of the pattern. But of course, if white captures, these 4 will be gone as well. White eventually will be able to capture all 8 if black takes sente. Well, anyway, that's the correct sequence, 1, 2, and 3. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Good luck, and thank you for watching.